Hello everyone, welcome back to the surgical canvas. Today we will be seeing the variation of the Z-Plasty techniques. Classical Z-Plasty uses the 60-degree angle, but there can be variation of the angle which causes different amount of lengthening of scars. For example, 30-degree angle causes 25% increase. 45-degree angle causes 50% increase. 60-degree angle causes 75% increase. So for every 15 degree there is 25% increase. So 75-degree angle causes 100% increase and 90-degree angle causes 125% increase. Smaller angles rotate easily but provide less lengthening. Moreover, the larger angles provide greater lengthening, but they are technically more difficult. Now coming to the serial Z-Plasties. Serial Z-Plasty is done when there is a very large scar and there is no lateral space for dissection and raising of the flap. So here we divide the scar into multiple small Z's and do the Z-Plasty. For example, in contracture of finger, there is not much space laterally to raise a large Z. So here this is the scar. So we plan very small numbers of Z and we do the Z-Plasty. Therefore the final scar line appears like a zigzag pattern. And lengthening, cumulative lengthening is just like a single Z, about 75%. 4-flap Z-Plasty is done only when there is enough loose space laterally. It can be made using both 45 degrees and 60-degree angle. Let's see the 45-degree angle first. Here we raise 4 flaps at using 45 degrees angles. So our 4 flaps that will be raised are A flap, B flap, C flap and D flap. Here we sequentially mark these flaps. Now let's start the switch. The first switch will occur between B and C flap. After that, the second switch will occur between the, as C flap has come here and here is A flap, between A and C flap. Therefore C and A flap will lie here, and the third switch will occur between flap B and flap D. Therefore the D comes in between and B goes most laterally. So we can remember the sequence properly using the mnemonic Cadbury. Let's see in the image. These angles are 45 degrees and the flap raised are A, B, C and D. 3 transpositions occur and the final flap will appear as C, A, D and B. This flap can also use 60-degree angles, and if the 60-degree angles are used, the cumulative increase in the length will be about 225%. If the 45-degree angle is used, the cumulative increase will be about 150%. Now coming to the jumping man Z-Plasty. Jumping man Z-Plasty, this flap is very similar to the 4-flap plasty, except that here we raise a 5th flap and just advance it. Just VY advancement occurs in between the 2 Z-Plasties. So here 5 flaps are raised, but only 2 switch occur and 1 VY advancement occur. So while planning the flap, the above angles will be about 75-degree angle and the in between angles will be 90-degree and the lower angles will be 60 and 60 degrees, and we sequentially name the flap as A, B, C, D and E. After that, the Z-Plasty switching of first switch occur between C and A, Second switch occur between E and B, and D just advances anteriorly. So the final sequence will be C A D B E. Can be remembered using the word Cadbury chocolate. You can also see in the image, if the above flaps are named A, B, C, D and E, at the final E, the final scar will be C, A, D, B and E. Wave like appearance will occur at the end. Thank you.